Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting for portrait shots, so update firmware and the DJI app first. This avoids unexpected behavior. Once done, calibrate the compass and gimbal so orientation is accurate and the camera stays level. Make sure your batteries are charged and props are securely mounted. This minimizes vibration and ensures stable footage. Now connect the remote to the app and enable beginner mode off if you're experienced, because portrait framing requires freedom to maneuver and predictable drone response. You'll now switch the camera into portrait orientation by using the gimbal wheel or the app's rotate feature. This flips framing to tall aspect ratio. Next, set your photo/video ratio to 4, 5 or 2, 3 for vertical composition and adjust shutter and ISO for exposure. Lower ISO reduces noise. Also enable grid lines and subject tracking to compose tightly, and lock exposure once you're happy so lighting shifts don't ruin the shot. Practice slow yaw and gentle pitch while watching the live view. You're ready to finalize. Perform a brief hover test to confirm stability, then execute slow, smooth control inputs for clean portrait footage. Jerky motions show badly in tall framing. Capture multiple passes with different distances and speeds to give more usable options in editing. If you notice drift, jitter, or unexpected tilt, land and recalibrate the IMU and retune gimbal parameters, because that usually resolves imbalance. If problems persist, reboot the aircraft and app before any further flights to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.